Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change background in Zoom app. So if you first time using Zoom app or if you don't not yet install Zoom, you can try to search on App Store or Play Store. You can try to install Zoom Workplace. And if you do not yet update your Zoom, please update it. Last update is September 29, 2024. In order to fix minor bug or enjoy any new feature from Zoom Workplace, you need to update. So after that, you can try to open the app. And right now, after you update into Zoom Workplace, you cannot change your background, your virtual background in the settings. So you need to change your virtual background, and you can change it when you try to join meeting or start new meeting. For example, let's start new meeting for practice. And here at the bottom there is a toolbar or taskbar, you name it. And here there is apps. You can try to tap the apps. Wait for a moment, and this is virtual backgrounds. Discover the perfect virtual background. You can tap it. Now virtual backgrounds on Zoom Workplace powered by Pexels become like a third party separate application. And of course, there are four categories that you can try. This is the nature. If you want to change into the nature one, you can try to tap and set background. And even you can share by tap on share button or the arrow button at the top of virtual background. And this is the interiors, art, and travel. Even you can set your virtual background into the blurry one. Here we go. You can tap three dots beside the search filter and tap on blur. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.